In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove underline in Microsoft Word. If your document has stray underlines or formatting you don't want, this quick guide will help you clean it up in a few simple moves, and I'll share a couple of tips to make the process smoother. Start by opening your Word document and selecting the exact text that's underlined. Precise selection matters, because Word applies formatting to whatever is highlighted. You can click and drag to select a range, double-click to select a single word, or triple-click to grab an entire paragraph. If you need to select non-contiguous bits of text, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac while selecting additional sections. With your text selected, head to the Home tab on the ribbon. That's the toolbar running across the top of Word. The Home tab is usually selected by default, and it contains the common formatting tools you'll need. Look for the Font group on the Home tab. You'll see an icon with a U and an underline. That's the Underline button. Click it to toggle the underline off. Think of it like a light switch. If the text is currently underlined, clicking the U removes it. If your selection includes a mix of underlined and non-underlined text, the toggle will remove underlines wherever they're present within the selection. If you prefer the keyboard, there's a faster way. With the text still selected, press Ctrl+U on Windows or Command+U on a Mac. This shortcut uses the same toggle as the button, so pressing it once removes an existing underline. One small tip. If nothing is selected, the shortcut changes the underline setting for what you type next, so make sure your selection is active when you use it. Sometimes the underline isn't just a one-off. It may be part of a style applied to your text. If you remove the underline and it keeps coming back, or you see the same formatting across multiple sections, it's likely a style. Right-click the underlined text, choose Styles, then select Modify. In the Modify Style window, look at the formatting options and uncheck Underline. When you confirm, Word updates that style and removes the underline from all text using it, keeping your document consistent. Once you're satisfied, save your document to lock in the changes. Press Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac, or go to File and click Save. That's it. Your text should now be clean and underline-free.